One-piece toilets eliminate the tank-to-bowl joint, so there is one less place for water to escape. One-piece toilets are molded as a single ceramic unit which removes the tank-to-bowl interface and the gasket there, reducing the most common structural leak point. They are often heavier and more costly to transport and install, so plan for 2 people or professional delivery for upstairs bathrooms. Maintenance focuses on internal components such as the flush valve and fill valve. Remove the lid and inspect the flapper or flush valve seat for wear, replacing parts with exact replacements to ensure a proper seal. Two-piece toilets separate the tank and bowl, which creates a potential leak point at the tank-to-bowl gasket and bolts, but makes replacing the tank or bowl less expensive and simpler when one component fails. For either type, always hand-tighten tank bolts evenly and use a new rubber gasket when reassembling to prevent over-tightening cracks or uneven compression that causes leaks. Check for hairline cracks at the base and between parts by drying the fixture and applying a dry paper towel around seams after a flush to detect moisture transfer quickly. Common mistakes start with over-tightening tank bolts on two-piece toilets, which can crack porcelain and create slow leaks. To avoid this, tighten bolts incrementally and alternate sides while using neoprene washers to distribute pressure. Another frequent issue is assuming flapper age is not a problem when the toilet runs intermittently. Replace the flapper or flush valve seal when you see persistent running or staining on the valve seat, because degraded rubber is the usual culprit. A third concern is improper wax ring installation at the base, causing sewer gas or water seepage. Ensure the flange height is correct and use a new wax ring appropriate for your flange height and any offset. And if the flange is damaged, replace or repair it before seating the bowl. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like toilet replacement, so we help people find local professionals and compare options. We host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about installation and leak prevention.